Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate eSIM on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to activate your eSIM on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general and go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and restart your device for one time as well. And now you have to simply go to your cellular settings on your device. So guys, tap on cellular and now you have to simply scroll it below, and from here you can see add eSIM option. So guys, you have to simply tap on add eSIM and now wait here for some seconds, and from here you can see you can use QR code to scan your eSIM on your device. So I simply tap on use QR code and then tap on scan QR code on your eSIM, and then your eSIM will be activated on your device. So I simply tap on scan QR code and scan the eSIM QR code on your device, and it will set up your eSIM on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.